What's up, guys? Welcome. We are going to do a 782D cold start this beautiful Sunday morning. So, this has got a Kubota 3-cylinder D600, and this morning it was 30 degrees. So, we're going to do a cold start here. Bump throttle up to that engine start mark. You are just for any of you guys that are looking on getting any of these, you never start them at full throttle. That will cause that over time. That'll cause engine damage, as stated in the manual. I don't want to sound like a bookworm. That's all I'm saying. Oh, that fuel pump is cold. I can barely hear it. We're gonna watch that glow plug, that hole. You got effectively a fourth glow plug back there, which is like, once the glow plugs are hot, it glows red hot. I don't think you'll be able to see it on camera. You will be able to see is the black smoke if it starts. You know, sometimes this is kind of iffy. It's really cold today. It's got 480 hours on it. We're using all our battery. This winter, like, I don't know if I've said this before, but I am going to be pulling this engine out and replacing a couple parts, including this PTO switch down there. When I was trying to mow grass this summer, it went out. Okay, that's glowing red. And with that, we conclude the 782D cold start. Now we're going to move on to the driving portion. We're going to take her a little easy since she's cold. Thanks for watching. See you next time.